Hi everyone! In this video, we will use subtraction and addition properties of equality to solve an equation. Our equation is 4 times the quantity x minus 2 minus 8x equals negative 5 times the quantity x plus 2. The first thing we want to do is do the distributive so that we can get rid of the parentheses. That way we can combine like terms and simplify the whole equation. So the first thing we'll do is do the distributive here and here. So our next step will look like this: 4 times x, and 4 times negative 2 is minus 8, and minus 8x. And then on the right hand side, negative 5 times x is negative 5x, and negative 5 times 2 is minus 10. Now that we've simplified this, we can combine all like terms. And so the first thing I'm going to do is move all of the x's to the left side so I can combine them. So the first thing we need to do is add 5x here to get rid of it, and then we'll add 5x on this side. So now that 5x is on the left. So negative 5x plus 5x cancels, and we're left with negative 10 here. And on the left side, we now have 4x. We can move our positive 5 here, plus 5x. Now we know that we can rearrange these using the commutative property. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 8 here, 8x, and then subtract 8. And we can combine our like terms here. 4x plus 5x is 9x, minus 8x is 1x, or just x. And these we didn't do anything to yet. And now we need to continue isolating the variable. So we need to do the opposite here by adding 8 to both sides. Minus 8 plus 8 cancels. So we've now isolated the x, and negative 10 plus 8 is negative 2. And that's our answer. And we can go ahead and check this by plugging it back into our original equation. And every time we substitute the negative 2 in, we will put it in parentheses so that we don't get any of the operations or the signs mixed up. So we have negative 2 minus 2 minus 8 times negative 2 equals negative 5 times negative 2 plus 2. There we go. Okay, so on the left-hand side, let's go ahead and simplify. Negative 2 minus 2 is negative 4. And we didn't do anything there. And then on the right-hand side, inside the parentheses here, negative 2 plus 2 is 0 times negative 5. On the left-hand side, we have negative 4 times 4, which is negative 16. And a negative 8 times a negative 2, which is positive 16. And then negative 5 times 0 is 0. Now that we've done all of our multiplication for the order of operations, we can add these together. Negative 16 plus 16 is 0, which does equal 0. So this does check. And our answer is correct, that x equals negative 2. And we're all done.